So today, you'll learn how to enable disabled apps on your OnePlus 13. So if you want to re-enable an app, whether you want to be able to use its services or you accidentally turned it off and you don't know how to re-enable it, then this is what you need to do. The first step is to launch the Settings app. Then under Settings, you want to go to Apps and tap on it. Then you want to select Disabled Apps. From here, you should see all the apps you previously disabled, whether by accident or on purpose. And to re-enable an app, start by selecting it, tap on Enable, and then that app will be enabled, which means that whenever you go to access it, whether in the apps drawer or by searching for it, then you should see the app has now come back and you can start using it. So Google Chrome is still disabled, so whenever I try to search for it, I can't find it because it's been disabled. So in order for me to access it, I need to go back here, look for Chrome, tap on it, and then select Enable. If you don't find the app in this list, then you can always just come to App Management, scroll through the different options, find the app that has the disabled tag underneath the name, and then select Enable, and the app will be enabled. Once it's enabled, you can now start using the app. So you should see it appearing in your apps drawer or on the home screen. And if not, you can just search for it and you should see it listed right there. Once the apps are re-enabled, you can now start using the services they were providing you, whether it was using the calculator to do some additions, or if you're using Chrome as your primary search browser, then that's how you can re-enable an app on your OnePlus 13. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.